This video covers jamb liner replacement for a custom wood double hung window with concealed hardware where the lock on the interior right side of the sash also acts as the retainer latch operator. Let's get started. First, remove the screen and both sashes from the frame. Watch our video on sash removal for more information. Now, carefully remove the parting stop by gently prying and rocking back and forth to loosen it from the top of the window. Next, repeat this process for the interior stops on the side jambs. Grasp the jamb liner from the bottom and using a putty knife, gently work them away and out of the frame, bending them slightly from the center. Use pliers to remove any nails that are protruding from the jambs. Finally, clean off any residue that may be left behind from your old jamb liner. Now let's look at how to install your new jamb liner. If the old jamb liner was sealed in place, reseal with silicone sealant only where the old part was sealed. First, place the jamb liner into the frame. It should sit flat against the wood frame jamb. Place the side stop into the frame and against the jamb liner. The side stop will conceal the interior of the jamb liner. Attach the side stop with finish nails or staples, 2 inches from the end of the stop, and then every 6 inches on the rest of the stop. Repeat this process for the opposite jamb liner if you're replacing both. Install the parting stop against the head jamb with the weather strip facing the exterior of the window. Fasten this in the same way you fasten the side stops. Finally, reinstall the upper sash, followed by the lower sash, and test operation. For additional information and complete written instructions for tasks depicted in this video, visit www.JELD-WEN.com, or if you have questions, call us at 1-800-JELD-WEN.